A day in Home 2 Suites, Louisville. Going to fitness center now. Morning around 6:30. Still dark. Today, Wednesday, 5th Jan. This is Naveen. Welcome back to another new episode of Tint and Travel. Good morning. My day starts now. Time is 6 o'clock morning. Need to get ready for gym. Then usually work will start early here around 7 o'clock. I need to grab my breakfast, get into the work. Getting ready to the fitness center. Time is 6:20. So let me go to the fitness center, then I will have my breakfast, then get into the work. Let me start. Done. Need to wipe properly. Going out from the fitness center. Here we have yogurt, milk. See, here we have reduced fat milk, skim milk, yogurt, cornflakes, some dry fruits, oats. Here we have burger and omelette, bakery, fruits, jam, boiled egg. This is the breakfast counter. Inspired table, right? Very nice. Let me prepare my coffee. My breakfast, some dry fruits, small burger is there, cupcake, then this is omelette, oats. Yeah, let me start. Coffee is ready. Need to just adding milk. Brown sugar. Both sugar, even normal sugar and brown sugar is available. So I took brown sugar. That is healthy. Coffee is ready. Good. What is this? This is egg cheese on a biscuit. Just like small burger. There is yellow mustard sauce. Let me try. Yellow mustard sauce. Need to see what it is.
turmeric and mustard. It's sour but good. This is Robusta banana chips. It's also crispy. Just now I got a call from my bank for collecting my debit card. I'm going to Flower Mound branch for collecting the card. It is 15 minutes drive from here. I need to book Uber. Took permission for a couple of hours. Let me go and see. It is time to start now. Time is 10:30. Now book the Uber, waiting for the car. This is the lobby. Just going out and see. It's okay outside, not that chilled. 10 degrees Celsius. It will take another 3 minutes for my car to reach here. It's not windy, so we can sit outside. Don't know whether car reached. One car is coming that side. It is Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. That is the vehicle coming now. 4749 is the number. Oh, this is the car. 4749. Hello, Matthew.
Recording?
Yeah.
Oh, what's up?
So just now reached in front of the bank. Let me go inside and see whether the card is available. I'll pick the card and go in the same car. Right. Waiting here. I think I will get now. Waiting for the card. See, this is the bank. So today also no luck. I didn't get my card. They said because I'm a foreign passport holder, I will be getting after 7 working days. So I'll be getting only after 7 working days. So they said they will send it to my hotel. Now I sent Matthews. So Matthew, he was waiting for me, and I just sent him. Now I booked for another Uber. It is showing 2 minutes. Car number 706. I think it will be coming from this side. See blue sky, and it is sunny as well. But temperature is 11 degrees Celsius. See, this is the bank building, looking very nice. Now this 706 is the, yeah, this is the one. Almost reached, yeah.
The home street. Or I mean, you can finance. I mean,
Thanks.
yeah.
So back to hotel now. At last, back to hotel. Now let me continue with my work. Hopefully this time I will receive the card as they said they will be sending to hotel. By Friday or Monday I'll be receiving the card. Continue watching Tinder Travel. Sunset is at 5:30. It is 5 o'clock now. See, this is my room. Came out for a walk. It will get dark soon. Just came out. With this, I'm ending this episode here. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.